Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins, and on this episode, we're going to talk about Enjin Coin, what's been going on. As you have seen, there's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the market right now. So we're going to get to the bottom of that first. We're going to talk about what's going on in the market, how it's affecting Enjin Coin, and three, what I think Enjin Coin is going to do. And I'm going to play multiple scenarios because it's very, up in the air what's going to go on right now. So with that being said, hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, and let's go. All right, so here is the top coins in coin market cap. And as you can see, it's down 16% of the week. That's pretty ugly. That's one of the worst ones. And if you go to the top here, you can look, there's a theme here. Coins and tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana, they're down a little bit less. Cardano, Ripple, they're down a little bit less. And then when you start getting into these like lesser cap coins, this one's down 33%, Voyager down 21%. So with exceptions, because you can see these ones aren't down as much, the more risky, the more lower market cap coins are really taking a little bit more of a beating. That's how it always is. So we're just going to look at this chart here. And if you've been following my old videos, you probably made a good amount of money when this broke out, because I was, this isn't investment advice, but I was recommending to buy during a breakout. And then what I did is I sold a little bit here, then I bought a little bit more here, and then I sold a little bit here. One of the mistakes I honestly made is I should have sold a lot up here, and I only sold a little up here. Now I'm holding bags, which is kind of embarrassing to say, but it is true because I thought that it was going to recover around here and then come up. But what happened was the whole market tanked. So with that being said, there is support here. You could see it very strongly. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a lot of touch points right there. And also, I'm probably going to hold right now because the worst case scenario, I think, is it's going to go to here. I don't think it's going to go much longer than here. And the scenario that it goes to here is less than the scenario it goes to here. We need Bitcoin to do something big. They've been getting trashed with bad news lately, and everyone's just been panicking. But I think it's time for recovery. We're just going to look at Bitcoin real quick to show you what I mean. I've made this trend line before, and it's kind of showing, it's kind of holding. It's not a strong support area here, but it's a little bit strong right here. So, let's just hope it holds, because everything follows Bitcoin. And this is kind of ugly what's going on right now. The way that I look at it, one of the reasons why I am personally holding is I think that Bitcoin is going to see 200,000 in the next year or two. So if that happens, we're going to see coins like Enjin Coin go absolutely berserk. We're going to see this probably, I think this is probably going to hit $10 somewhat soon. So it's really not that big of a deal if it loses 50%, if it could gain 400% here. And most of my buys, I would say almost all of my buys were below like here. So not really holding a big bag. I'm just could have made more profit. So either way, I'm way up on Enjin because I bought most of it around before this breakout. So I'm still up. It's just, I could have been up a lot more. And it is what it is. I don't have a ridiculous amount of money invested in crypto, because if I did, that's when you sell quicker. For example, if I bought $1 million worth here, I would have been selling all of it here. But if you only have like a few grand, it doesn't seem that much. You get a little bit greedy. So either way, I'm up like 800% in crypto in the last year. So whatever. I'm going to be holding tight, and that's just the way I look at it. I made good money off Enjin. I would say that I've made more money off Enjin Coin than pretty much any crypto, because I caught this huge run right here. So also, if you're looking for big news to blow this up, you're going to see big news happening in the metaverse space. So Enjin Coin, Mana, Sandbox, those are just a few that it's like one thing of news could send this to $10, you know, like, and with, you know, Facebook talking about the changing their name to Meta, they're making a big metaverse. I mean, it's very likely we could see some crazy news in this space. And another thing I would like to say is, if you look at this RSI, it's way over. Like I use the RSI a lot, and it's way oversold. It's about 41 right now, so way oversold. Actually, no, 37. So it's way oversold. Also, the stochastic, it's looking like that green line is going to cross the red, and if that happens, it's going to go a wave. And just like, look, use your common sense. Got one big wave down, one big wave up, one big wave down. It's following the pattern that is common sense, that what's it going to do next? It's going to do that. But like I said, it's very likely it's going to hit this line. So don't panic if it drops another 25%, because it may do that. I would say like 1 in 3 chance it does that. So, you know, it's not a beautiful time to be a crypto investor right now. The past few years have been a crazy bull run, but the past 2 months have been real ugly, particularly the last month. So we are just going to have to hang tight. It's not investment advice. Do what you want, but you're going to be mad if you sell right now and then everything goes up like 100%. So, which is very likely. I think, put it this way, I would say that the chance of everything going up 100% is higher than the chance of everything dropping another 50%, in my opinion. So the risk to reward ratio, it's just say it was even. That's still double the reward than the risk would be. But I don't think it's even. I think it's 2/3. It goes up very soon. You know, unfortunately, like I said before, Bitcoin isn't in an exact perfect support level. It's not, because here is more of a better support level. But it did recover here from here twice. Once, twice. So, and while we're at it, worst case scenario for Bitcoin, I think, is hitting this trend line that has been going since, you know, 2020. And it's not going to like hit it here. It would probably like, you know, slowly go down. So right around 30,000. Possible. It would be bad. But I don't know. Like, I have a lot of money on the sideline that I'm not investing in crypto yet, that I'm going to put in if it goes here. But as for now, I'm keeping that in cash, because it's not it's right now, it's not, crypto is not an obvious buy and it's not an obvious sell. It's neither. It's a little bit undecided. So that's all I got to say for this episode. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we're going to have plenty of more awesome episodes. Peace out.